Today we're looking at what can happen when a tree falls and causes damage to your roof system. Hi, I'm John with Equity Builders Roofing, and we're responding after the tree has been removed from this system. There was nothing we could do when we initially came out, but this has caused some large punctures and holes in this roof system, and it's important that we stay on the rafters just from a safety standpoint. But really big tears in both the decking, the underlayments, the shingles. A lot of destruction can happen when a tree falls on your roof. And it's really important that as soon as the tree is removed from your roofing surface that you get these areas covered up to prevent further damage to the interior or home, walls, whatever else that could be subject to water leaking through those roof spots. So today we're going to install several different tarps to try and protect this area from the elements until this system can be replaced. Take a look at what we got going here. All right, so we've got this dried in for now. It's important when installing tarps to really just tarp the main area that's affected. The more holes you put in a roof, the more nails you put in the roof are suspect to a problem in the future if the replacement or repairs aren't completed in a reasonable time frame. The bigger and broader the tarp surface is, it's going to be more subject to wind and wind uplift. So we always like to focus on just tarping the affected area, and then that way only the affected area has it and it minimizes the size of the tarp. If you have had tree fall, if you've had limbs hit your roof, if you've had storms affect your house and you're curious about a leak, a concern, a problem, or that you may need a service like this, it's complimentary for us to come out and assess this and see what's going on. To set up that initial inspection, all you need to do is call, text, or visit our website at equitybuildersroofing.com.